Hello and welcome to the second double header of IPL 2021. Today, the first match will be between Sada Punjab, as in Punjab Kings, and Sunrisers Hyderabad. And the second match will be between Orgo, Chennai and KKR, Chennai Super Kings,
Right.
and Kolkata Knight Riders. Well, before Orgo and I continue with our fan banter, there is something which we would like to tell you. See, I have seen a number of comments which says that why is Orgo supporting one team on one day, or why am I supporting a particular team on a day and then changing, the teams. So the thing is, in Indian Premier League, every team is actually our team, right? Because it's Indian Premier League, Indian players. It's all about, and it's not India versus a certain team that you will be supporting a team. So for Orgo and me, all the teams are equal, but on a particular match day and on particular matches, we feel or we support a particular team for that day only. And that is where our banter comes in, and that is the banter you see. It's not like if I have supported DC on a match, we will continue supporting DC. On a particular day, if it's DC versus Punjab, and I feel I will support Punjab, and he feels he will support Delhi, that's how we go with it. Now, enough of the lecture done. First, before I come to you, Orgo, we need to see where we can play our fantasy cricket. And which better app than FanFight?
It's match day. Play fantasy cricket now. Get up to 2.5 crores daily and lots more. 20 times more. Win big on FanFight. This game involves an element of financial risk and may be addictive. Please play responsibly and at your own risk.
So, Orgo, let's tell me, should we support? I mean, should we start with CSK KKR, or should we start with Punjab Hyderabad? Whatever you say.
I think Punjab Hyderabad right away. Punjab Hyderabad
Punjab
right away
Hyderabad.
because that
Very
is
good.
the first.
So
Yeah.
it's actually currently the bottom of the table clash, right? Punjab and Hyderabad.
Oh. Two
And I
teams
think
struggling big time.
Punjab is still better than Hyderabad, is what I can say. Oh, I never thought I will say it like this, or I will
Yeah,
say it like this.
like one is better than
Yeah,
zero.
go on.
Like one win is better than zero, I would say.
Absolutely,
but
absolutely. Yeah.
but your star-studded batting lineup. My first comment: your star-studded batting lineup is failing big time. KL Rahul 51 of 61. Is he playing like the last year? Are those memories coming back again?
Well, the way we are losing, those memories are coming back again. But having said that, the good part was that Mayank uh, looked really, really good last match, and their partnership got going. Yes, I understand that there were a number of wickets which fell. I also, I will contradict you a little. I get it. 51 ball 61 is something that everyone is mocking, but it was already 122, and then there are so many other batters. So you cannot really pinpoint on Rahul alone, because everybody else is supposed to score, and I'm sure they will, because Hyderabad bowling has looked unsettled, and secondly they have changed their bowling around as well. They dropped Natarajan Nattu. I mean, what will you say about those, that baffling? And they didn't drop Vijay Shankar. I mean, what will you say about these baffling changes?
Vijay Shankar, by the way, in the last game, I think last game was his best game. Only he dropped
True.
Pollard, that was his mistake, but he hit two sixes, he took wickets also. But my problem is,
But Vijay Shankar has
I feel.
finally proved one thing. I want to just tell you
Uh,
that there's nothing called 3D,
uh,
because he's definitely not doing his fieldings properly. Anyway, you can go ahead.
the problem now Sunrisers will face, in spite of me supporting Sunrisers, is that Punjab is moving to Chennai. A wicket with support spin, a wicket. There will be a little help for the bowlers also if they bowl the slower balls. But then there's a problem also because these bowlers, like big bash bowlers, Jai Richardson and Meredith, I somehow feel that they are not suited or they still don't know which length and which line to bowl on the Indian wicket because they haven't played
Absolutely.
that much on Indian wicket. Meredith has, I don't think, has played even one game before IPL on these kind of wickets. And the change of pace because Australia, the pitches are totally different. And that's where I feel that Mohammad Shami and Arshdeep will have a big role to play. And if you all play Ravi Bishnoi, who was one of the finds of last season, that would be a lot better than Murugan Ashwin, even if it is his home ground or something like that. But I think Ravi
Orgo is
Bishnoi is a
actually
better.
choosing our team. Okay, yeah, sure. Yes,
I'm
Yes,
just doing
Abhishek. I will call
service. I'm just doing
Ali
social
sir and
service.
personally tell him Orgo has got this team choices. Yes, please, sir, continue.
Because see, my original team, RCB, we have some kind of link with Punjab now. It hurts when Punjab loses. Like it's second RCB two now, it's RCB two. That's why I feel you all also should win. But if our Doctor Kane, that is Kane Williamson somehow gets fit, our middle order is sorted. Other than that, all these bachas in the middle order, oh man, bachas along with Vijay Shankar, they are not doing well. They are
But
not
then,
at all
aren't you a
doing well.
little worried about? Sorry, aren't you also worried about the fact that Manish Pandey has not really delivered? Scoring runs is one thing, but Manish Pandey, he reminds me of the Chak De dialogue. When Shah Rukh Khan told Komal and Preeti कि अगर जरूरत पड़े तो हम तुम दोनों के खिलाफ भी खेलेंगे. So is that what David Warner will tell Manish Pandey? Because you guys seriously need to reconsider him, no?
If I was the captain, I would have definitely brought in Riddhiman Saha again at the top of the order, Best to down the order in the middle order, and Manish Pandey out of the team for 2 matches, and then bring in Manish Pandey again, so that like he gets like somehow I feel Manish Pandey because he's an Indian player, he thinks that okay his place is secured in this team, but he is not delivering the goods, and it's not this season. In the last season also, like he didn't perform as much as he should have performed.
Right. That's for match one. We have another match. Let's not completely, use all our energies in the first match because you have to defend CSK. And I know. So let me tell you, Orgo had specifically told me before we started this video that I'm going to support CSK. I'm going to support CSK. I have something to say. I don't know what is this newfound love that he has for CSK. Yes, please go ahead, Mr. Bhattacharya.
See, I wanted to support underdogs. I am in love with underdogs. I always support underdogs. But now the problem is KKR has become an underdog.
CSK is
But KKR, I don't know what they are doing. The first match they played so well. Second match they should have won. Third match there was some horrendous captaincy from Morgan when Varun Chakravarti was bowling so well. He got Virat out. He didn't bring on Varun
but
Chakravarti. And they're
just
so
a second. Now Kolkata has moved to Mumbai. Listen, no, Kolkata has moved to Mumbai. That sounded so weird. No, Kolkata has moved to Mumbai. I mean,
KKR.
it was moved to Mumbai, and then, I think now you will actually see Morgan the batter coming into form. And once Morgan the batter comes form, Chennai Vennai कुछ नहीं उसके सामने धूल चटा देगा.
See, we have a super captain who is doing everything from behind the wicket. The moment the ball turns, no other team can survive in front of Dhoni because I feel when the ball turns,
But you guys
Dhoni
were
turns
happy
the
and
match.
the ball got lost, and that is when you got a new ball.
That's what.
You got a fresh
That's
ball
why
to play.
Dhoni. That's why I feel Dhoni, if he wins the toss, he will bowl first because there will be less dew at first, and then he will try to chase. By the way, our batting lineup is still
Chennai is comfortable
yeah chasing, but I think with the ball doing so much in Mumbai, especially with the dew, I don't know. Like in one game, they even won in the Punjab game. They batted first and sorry, they bowled first, and they even won that game very easily. So I think it's Mumbai, and with the dew around, and Dhoni knows that if his spinners can get into the act. And what about Jadeja? There's a joke going around that more than 71% is covered by water, and the rest of the earth is covered by Ravindra Jadeja. He's
Covered by
everywhere on the
Jadeja.
field. Yeah, he's everywhere.
But then you also have a few very good fielders, and what I think you haven't noticed with all your love for CSK is that Shubman Gill was playing really well, and he has looked in very good touch. Yes, I know what your next argument will be. क्या रे अच्छे में रहने का मतलब क्या? If you can't cross the line, all that. But then it's okay. One match he didn't, but he looked really well, and just one match. One match he'll play that good innings, and the tables will turn for him. And somehow I feel today's Chennai match is the match. So what are your
See,
plans against Shubman Gill? Yes.
against Shubman Gill, because it's a short boundary also, and KKR batters, at times what happens in the longish boundary in Chennai, you get caught out in the deep, and whenever, even if you don't time the ball in Mumbai, all those mistimed balls also goes for six, and that's the only concern because KKR have big hitters like Russell and all that. Russell somehow got a little bit of his magic back in the RCB game because Yuzvendra against Yuzvendra Chahal, he hit a lot of runs. So I think these guys will try to muscle the ball because at one point of time I was also supporting KKR, so I know their strengths. So, but I feel with Dhoni there, I think with Dhoni there, he might go for a leg spinner. I don't know. He might go for a leg spinner. Do they have a leg spinner in their pack? I don't think. They have off spinners.
You mean
But with
Imran Tahir?
Dhoni, Moeen, and I don't think he will change the combination because DK is not that good in the against leg spinners. But I feel with Moeen Ali, the way he is
Right.
using Moeen Ali and Jadeja, he will use Moeen Ali and Jadeja against the middle order because I feel the strength of KKR is their middle order. If we can break your middle order, everything will be taken care of. We don't fear anything. Everything will be taken care of. And have you seen a captain only doing winning matches by doing captaincy? What about that?
Obviously, I agree, but you should not underestimate a captain like Owen Morgan because he is a World Cup winning captain. And don't bring in your, luck and all because Dhoni also had many, lucky. Dhoni also a number of times has had luck in his favor. So I think it's it's actually a game of two shrewd minds, Morgan and Dhoni. And also, before we continue for the whole day, remember today's double header. So, which means the game is going to start very early. So, our pre-show is at 2 p.m. and we need to go because our viewers need to catch up with the pre-show where all our experts analyze the game. Before we end, I think Orva and I would like to predict that Punjab winning the first game and Kolkata is winning the second game. Right. I didn't allow more.
How can you predict for mine? I think Sunrisers and Chennai are the favorites. Sunrisers will open their account, make a comeback, and Chennai will make a hat trick of wins. Hat trick of wins, Chennai.
Hyderabad, for the first time, maybe will lose 4 games in a row, and Punjab will finally get a win. That's what is going to happen. Of course, it's going to happen. Yeah, come on. You also know that. Come on. So you guys also know, right, that you guys want to support the teams and you guys also want to support Sports Today. Please subscribe to our channel, ring the notification bell icon so that every time we put up a video, you will get to know. And meanwhile, download the FanFight app from the link in the description below. Play fantasy cricket, stay at home, wear your mask, enjoy IPL, and please, please, please be safe. Thank you.